Hey, I'm David from HobbyDrone, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pair your DJI O4 unit to your DJI Goggles. This is DJI Goggles 2 and the pair button is just right here. In your goggles could be pair button somewhere else, or it could be in some submenu, so just check where your pair button is and the walkthrough is gonna be same. First of all, you have to turn on the goggles, which you're gonna do it by short press and long press. So short and long. Then the goggles gonna start. And then go to menu. So in these goggles you're gonna do it by sliding a finger from out of your head, so to the front, then go to status, then go to switch, and then go down to DJI O4 Air Unit. Don't go to the Air Unit Pro, just DJI O4 Air Unit. Press it and then go to switch. Then turn on the drone, which you're gonna do it by plugging in the battery. And there is O4 unit just right here, and there is a USB connector. On the opposite way there is a button, and as we can see the red LED saying that it's not paired because it's red LED, so we're gonna press it. Maybe you have to use some tool or something, and when it's pressed it starts blinking. Then we're gonna press button, pairing button on the goggles, and the sound saying it's pairing, and the sound said it's paired. Also the green light saying it's paired. Also we could see the video in the goggles.